Looking to cancel your Monkey app subscription? Here's how. If you subscribe through the Monkey app or website, simply log in. Go to Settings, find Monkey Plus, and click Cancel Renewal. Confirm your choice and you're done. On Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to Subscription, find Monkey Plus, and select Cancel Subscription. For iPhone users, head to the Settings, tap your name, then Subscription, select Monkey Plus, and tap Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe via email, contact Monkey Support at support.hellomonkey.com with your account details and request to cancel. Remember, your subscription remains active until the end of your current billing cycle. You won't be charged again after cancellation. Need more help? Visit Monkey app or contact support. That's it. Easy as that.